In this video, I will show you how to manage inventory in a Shopify store. Inventory is the quantity of a particular product that is available for sale. Inventory tracking can help you avoid selling products that have run out of stocks or let you know when you need to order or make more of your product. You can manage your inventory from your online store admin panel. There is a menu under products by name inventory. There is a few columns. One for product name, SKU. When sold out, it is showing the behavior when the product is out of stock. It is showing stop selling. It means stop selling means when the product is out of stock, then it will stop selling. But you can change this behavior by selecting the product and click more action button. There are a few actions. You can choose continue selling when out of stock. Then the status is changed. Unselect the product. Incoming column maintains the transfer record from other stores or location. We have another video for this. In available column, you can see the stock amount. You can add or edit quantity from this last column. If you want to set the amount 10, then click set, write 10 and press save. Now you have 10 products. If you want to add 5 more, then select add and write 5 and press save. Suppose you lost a product. One of your product is damaged. So you want to update the amount. As one is lost or damaged, select set and write 14 and press save. It is updated. To find your required product, you can use filter or sort option. Let me show you a filter. Select availability. From here, available on store, add filter. Then from the sort by option, I'm selecting, there are a few options here for the A to Z, Z to A, ascending, descending. Here I am selecting descending. You can edit inventory for a single product here. But if you want to edit inventory quantities for multiple items, then you can use import or export file option. This is a great feature developed by Shopify team to bulk edit of your product's inventory. Here I'm showing you how to do that. Click the export button. You have the option to export product for current page, all variants. If you select a few items, then it will be enabled. You can also download select for the selected items and the current source. For the export as keep it as it is and click export variants. Download the product. Open the file. If you open the file, search for your store location. At the last column, you can see the available quantity. Here, you can see that for few items, here is the quantity is 40. I want to make, here it is 30. I want to make it 40. Just write 40. Update for few items. Press save. Save this file. and again log into your online store and the import button, upload file, start import. After importing, you can see that the inventory was 30 but now it is 40. By this way you can bulk edit of your products. It will save your time, and by this way you can manage your inventory for your Shopify stores. If you need any more assistance for inventory management, write a feedback to us on hasthemes.com, and feel free to check our themes on our website hasthemes.com. Thank you.